First, we're gonna be adding some glue. I need to add how much? I'm just gonna add a little bit more. Okay, next, we're gonna be adding the ties. And you can add how much? I mean, we need to mix. Hurry up, slime. I don't have all day, you know. Okay, I'll just keep adding more. Keep adding more ties. Keep adding more ties. It's a tornado in here. Okay. I have too much. I skipped to the part when I was when the slime wasn't ready. So yeah, just now we just need to do the food coloring, and I choose green. I'm just gonna add one dot, a little bit, and just keep mixing. This is my Hulk Smash slime. Okay, and just keep mixing. And then when everything's green, you can just take it out. I'm gonna take it out now. This is my little table. And oh no, it's a hair. No. Okay. Exactly. And then you're done doing your slime. And then you get the container, that you think that you want, and then just put it in there, and you're finally done. You're finally done with your Hulk Smash. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, to the next video. Bye!